Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. As you can see from the title, in today's video we'll be doing this super easy glueless install with this wig from Asteria hair. I've been trying out a whole bunch of textures from Asteria because I've worked with them so much in the past. I specifically love their 5x5 HD lace closures, and that's what I'm wearing right now. It's in the length 26 inches and it is 250 density. She is thick, okay? This straight wig is absolutely gorgeous. The hair is just so nice and lush, and it's giving bridal. I said this in my outro, but I just love how thick the hair is, and it's just really good quality hair. I could really tell from the get-go that it was like gonna be some really fire hair, and here it is, proving me right. And this wig is just so gorgeous, and I'm just gonna stop rambling. And I've said "and" like a whole bunch of times, but let's jump into this video where I'll just show you how I did this gorgeous glueless install. The links for this wig will be in the description box below if you'd like to check it out. I definitely would recommend this wig. It is a 10 out of 10 for me. There is no imperfections. I love how it is. The lace lays really nice, and with my skin tone, the hair on the lace lays flat. It's not too many crazy flyaways. It's just perfect, and I'm here for it. So let's jump into the video and I'll see you at the end. so that is it for today's video. This wig is from Asteria Hair. As you can see from the title, it is their 5x5 HD lace closure wig in 26 inches. So child, she's like, I can't even get all this hair in the frame, but she's really long on me. I usually get 24 inches, but I've been doing this thing with Asteria where I want to try out all their textures. I want to show you guys like a whole variety of what they have to offer, and this is just their straight hair. Their straight hair is absolutely gorgeous. This 250 density wig is out of this world. Thick, like she is so thick, and I love it. I actually love it. I feel like this is one of those wigs that you could do for bridal, where you want to do those big curls. This is almost like it's 4 bundles and a closure. That's just like what I get from it. If you want to do bridal big curls, you could layer this up and do curls. If you wanted to leave it straight, it could be nice and pretty and straight, a little tiara, a little veil or whatever. It's giving wedding hair. That's how nice and glamorous this hair makes me feel. I love it. This wig is really easy. You could easily take it off because it is absolutely 100% glueless. So I'm so here for this, and if you would like to purchase, the links will be in the description box to do so. So thank you so much, Asteria, for sending me this gorgeous wig, and don't forget to check my Instagram where you'll see pictures of me in this gorgeous wig. And that is it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one.